Now, industrial law, this is something very important where it comes right from the act before your independence till your after independence act. Now, this particular industrial law is going to speak about the rights of the employees, rights of the employers regarding your disputes which takes place, regarding the calculation of the wages or the bonus, gratuity, the employee provident fund, pension scheme. These are the things which are being talked about in the industrial law. Now, industrial law, which was earlier not that important before the Britishers appeared. Now, during that time, that much of importance was not being given to the workers and the laborers, and the exploitation was being done on them. And because of which, just after our independence, that is after 1947, we as the government, we felt like to come up with new of the policies, new of the acts, all in favor of the workers and the laborers. Now, these workers and laborers are considered to be the most important part of the society. And in India, majority of the people are the working class or the labor class of people. So what about these people who are below the poverty line? They always keep on struggling with their rights and their responsibilities. So even as a constitutional framework, they should be given some protection. And yes, our constitution has given them the right and protection. You all must be knowing 1st May is celebrated as the Universal Labor Day, on which the laborers are considered to be the most important part, not just the management, not just the capital, but even the labor, which plays a vital role for the uplifting the status of the establishment or bringing up the establishment in the market. So this was the time when the government realized that yes, there should be some laws, acts which should be in their favor, and that is what we are going to study about in the industrial law. We are going to talk about your industrial disputes, your factories provisions regarding the safety, welfare of the workers and the health of the workers. We are going to talk about what are the trade unions, how they are functioning, their funds, their registration, all those procedures. We are going to talk about your workmen's compensation, how these people, if they are going to face any incident or accident within the premises when they are working, then how they should be protected. Employees compensation scheme, we are going to talk about that. We are going to talk about the different schemes, provisions regarding their employee provident fund, pension scheme, so that because these are the class of people who are not knowing about their right, they are not vigilant about their future life. So to give them a better life, the insurance policies are being given, their dependents are being given with some part of importance, so that they can live a good life after that, after the accident, incidental or any kind of death of a particular employees. Even when we are going to talk about the wages, bonus, gratuity, these things plays a very important role. It is not just the normal wages which has been given, but even the bonus, which is the right of the employees, and gratuity. If a person is dedicating himself to a particular employment for a long period of time, then he should be awarded with some kind of upliftment or some kind of initiation where he will be dedicatedly working towards that. So that's why they are being provided with some sort of gratuity and all. So this is all what we are going to talk about in your industrial law. Please do go for it and please promote yourself for learning more and more about the industrial rights. Now, at the same time, I would like to thank Online Shine for giving me this opportunity to come and teach on this forum and this platform in this pandemic scenario, where I can utilize my knowledge for the teaching to the people and students who are in need of that, and will be able to reach to each and every person through a snap of finger or through each easily, smoothly. So with this, I would like to thank to Online Shine and everyone, the editor, the behind team, the back office team, the administrative staff, each and everyone for cooperating and giving me the every now and then feedback which is required for improvising in the my teaching, improvising the way through which we can reach to the students in a very much smooth manner. Thank you once again, and thank you Online Shine for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.